guys, today we're going to be trying out the Mikayla and Glamlite palette. I kind of mucked up a little bit because I really thought I bought the second, because this is the palette from the first collab, and I really thought I bought stuff from the second. I thought I bought the palette from the second collab, but apparently I didn't. So anyway, we have this, and I've decided that we'll mix it up and we'll also try out some of the stuff from her second collab as well. And then in saying that, I also have more stuff coming from her first collab from an order that I actually placed with Glamlite, so it's just taking a little bit longer to get here. So we're just going to try it out as it comes. So this is just the, I don't think it's got a name, I think it's just the Mikayla and Glamlite palette. It's really cool though, like I think this is so cool. And then the actual palette looks like this. It's super pretty. So yeah, we're gonna give it a go today. Let's get started. I'm gonna try and do something a little bit different today. So I'm just gonna quickly prime my eyes with the P. Louise Eye Base in Rumor 01. This is coming to the end of its life, but I've got spares, so it's fine. So I'm gonna do something a little bit different today, I think. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the shade called Iconic, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Can you guys guess what I'm doing? So yeah, I'm gonna start by putting that in the inner corner, bringing it like a third of the way along. So far so good. That's a really pretty pink. I haven't done like anything other than like my basic kind of eye look for a while, so I'm excited to do something a little bit different today, and hopefully it looks okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the orange shade, and it's called Buffalo Chicken, and I'm gonna put that like on the middle half of the eye. Okay, they're blending into each other really nicely, which is great. It's always good to see. We love a blendable shadow. I feel like the colours look a lot more like soft on the eyes than what they do in the pan. Like I feel like in the pan they look a bit more like vibrant. Okay, and then just quickly before we add our last shade, I'm just gonna blend those just so they don't look so rough towards the brow. I'm the most indecisive person ever, so like I feel like creating a palette would be so like so hard. I don't think I'd ever get it done because I just wouldn't be able to decide on a shade. And then the last shade that I'm going to take in is called MJ. Okay, we've got to trust the process a bit here because it's looking a bit crazy at the moment, but trust the process. Okay, they're actually all blending really nicely, so I actually have no complaints. I feel like the it's taking a little bit more work to blend the orange and the purple, but that's to be that's to be expected because they are kind of such different shades, obviously, but still they're doing like a really good job for what it is, so I'm really not mad. All we have to hope for now is that we can actually pull this look off. I'm gonna take the big blending brush again, just give it all a blend. Then I'm gonna go in with the like darkest purple from the palette, and it's called Frisky, and this is gonna be like my where we cut the crease kind of thing. You know, I feel like this Frisky shade actually suits the colours better, so I might even bring it up. Don't you think? Like I feel like that kind of suits the colours a little bit better, so I'm gonna bring that one all the way up actually. Once again, just trust the process, okay? I'm hoping that we can get it to look okay. Once again, we're gonna blend. Okay, gonna go off camera, we're gonna cut the crease. And then we'll be back and we'll put a shimmer on and see how this looks. Okay, so I've cut the crease now and I feel like it's looking better. And I think once we put like some liner and some lashes on it, it'll really tie it together. So now we have to choose a shade for the lid. You know, I feel like gold is pretty standard, but should we do something like something different? I don't know. What do you guys think? I kind of liked this one. I feel like that's really cool. I might take that one. It's called NARS, I think. But I think I'm going to put that on. but I think I'm going to put it about halfway. And then I think I'm going to put like a purple shimmer on. So bring it to about there. This is a really cool shimmer shade. It's like a blue, but like a silver. I don't know. I really like it though. Whatever it is. I feel like it'd be really cool for like a concert or a festival or something. I feel like it's quite unique. I don't really have a shade like this. Okay, and then I'd really like to put... I might put that one on, the like dark purple. The dark purple is called Portuguese, I think. Okay, give it a second. We'll do all our blending in 1 minute. Okay, these shimmers are very crumbly. But they're very pretty on the eye, but just be careful of fallout. Okay, now we're gonna like blend it a little bit. Okay, and then we're gonna take the dark purple shade again and like blend that into the shimmer. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this heavy metal glitter liner from Urban Decay. It's all separated. I need to like... This one's in the shade Midnight Cowboy, and I'm gonna line the cut crease. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera now. I'll do liner, lashes, do my base makeup, and then we'll come back out to try out the highlighter and the lip products. So, be back soon. Okay, so I've done my base makeup and everything now. So, let's have a look at this highlighter palette. So this is the... I don't know why it's spelled like that. Am I missing something? I know Mikayla makes a lot of TikToks and stuff, so maybe it's the way she pronounces stuff, but it's called like the Pout 2. Am I saying that right? Because I think where she's from like somewhere in America, isn't she? And I feel like she's got a bit of an accent, so maybe that's what it is. But anyway, how cute is this packaging? So it looks like this. Now I don't normally go for highlighters like this, but I got impulsive and I bought them, so here we are. So we have 3 shades. Okay, so from top to bottom we have Starstruck, Blinding, and Are You Kidding Me? And I think I might take Are You Kidding Me today. Actually, I'll take Blinding because I feel like Are You Kidding Me is quite like a normal shade. You know what I mean? I'll try something a bit different. Okay, so yeah, they are obviously like duochrome highlighters or whatever. They're very cool though. Like, it's not obviously something that you would wear every day, but they're cool. So something a little bit different. They're quite cute, yeah. So it's got like a very like green yellow reflect. So now I have the 2 lip kits. So we have Lucky Charm and Golden Dreams. So I'll swatch them for you. Where am I going to swatch these? I'll have the highlighters off. So yeah, the lip kits come with a lip liner, a lipstick, and then a gloss. Okay, so that's the first lip kit there. This one is in the shade, what was it? Lucky Charm? Yep, Lucky Charm. And it's weird because they don't actually have individual shades on the actual like thing. So like when you put them in your collection, you're not going to remember what one is what. Anyway. And then the other one is called Golden Dreams. So I think like this one is the lighter one, and then Golden Dreams is a little bit darker. Yeah, okay, so it looks like Lucky Charm is like more kind of brown, pinky neutral, and then Golden Dreams is more like purple. So those are the 2 lip kits there. So what I'm going to do now is go off camera, I'll do my hair, and put one of these lip kits on, and then I will come back and show you the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. It's not my favourite look, it's obviously a little bit out there, but I still quite like it. I did really like the palette. I thought it was really good quality. I feel like they blended really well and the shimmers are really pretty and stuff. The only thing to note would be like the fallout. But apart from that, I thought the palette was pretty good. The highlighters are definitely not my favourite, but they're marketed as like, they're marketed as like multi-dimensional highlighters. So, you know, I obviously knew that going in, and they do exactly what they're meant to. They're obviously, like, you know, the ones that have like a bit of a, is it like duochrome? I don't know, but you know what I'm talking about. Like, obviously you can tell that they are not your standard highlighter. Like, they're meant to be, have a shift to them and stuff like that. So I'm not mad at that at all, because like I said, I bought them knowing that that was them, and that's just not my type of highlighter, but I did want to try them out. But I still do think it looks really pretty. It's obviously just not your everyday kind of highlight. I ended up going with the Golden Dreams lip kit, and I actually think it's really, really pretty. Just give you a close-up of the eyes. I feel like they're quite cute. Like, it's not my favourite look I've done, but still. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Overall, I'm pretty impressed. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.